Number 1. The Mansory Rolls-Royce Phantom. First introduced in 1925, the Phantom is one of the world's most modified luxury car. The luxury sedan features custom paint combinations, massive wheels, and a handcrafted interior with ultra-premium materials. Currently in its 8th generation, no automobile shouts the presence of old money like the Rolls-Royce Phantom. Typically, Phantoms are the largest and most luxurious cars in Rolls-Royce's catalog, and in certain eras, the company would only sell Phantoms to its most distinguished clients. Starting at $1.1 million, the Phantom by Mansory is the most luxurious vehicle to ever come out of the factory. Only the finest materials find their way into the car's interior, ensuring unprecedented comfort. Despite its massive weight, the Phantom is extremely fast. The Mansory Rolls-Royce Phantom is powered by a twin-turbo V12 engine, which provides a top speed of 150 miles per hour. This heavily modified version of the world's most luxurious sedan features bespoke wide-body aerodynamics, forged carbon fiber detailing, and a performance-oriented engine. Number 2. The Mansory Rolls-Royce Ghost. Upgraded to 600 horsepower with immense torque, the Mansory Ghost is an extreme reimagining of the British luxury sedan. The vehicle is designed for those who find the standard model understated. The Ghost blends old-world style with modern flair. Its decadent cabin provides plush lounge chairs, massaging seats, and heated armrests. Every Rolls-Royce is an audacious alter ego, designed with enhanced torque, power, and control. Starting at $1 million, a smooth V12 engine provides ample power, and the Ghost's cabin is decked out with the finest leathers, fabrics, and metal fittings. With more power and a revised suspension, the Mansory treatment does more to push the Ghost toward being a driver's car. It features a blacked-out or two-tone exterior, aggressive body lines, and an extensively customized cabin. The car provides a peerless ride thanks to its standard adaptive suspension. According to Rolls-Royce, the vehicle is capable of hitting a top speed of 155 miles per hour with a 0 to 60 time of 4.6 seconds. Number 3. The Mansory Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. The Mansory S-Class is a complete ultra-luxury conversion that dramatically elevates the styling and performance of this flagship German sedan. Designed to cater to elite clients seeking an aggressive but premium aesthetic, this sedan combines the pinnacle of chauffeur-driven luxury with Mansory's signature forged carbon fiber accents and heavy power increase. The Maybach S-Class is considered the gold standard of the segment for its unmatched luxury and performance. The ultra-luxury full-size sedan represents the pinnacle of comfort and driving dynamics. Starting at $800,000, if the regular S-Class simply doesn't cut it, then consider the Maybach version, where every detail has been redesigned to be as luxurious as possible. Under the hood is a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, which is augmented by a 48-volt hybrid system. An air suspension and active sound cancellation are both standard in the Maybach, which helps deliver a luxurious ride. The vehicle is designed to pamper every occupant, especially those in the rear, who are treated to options like reclining seats with massage, wine coolers, and electrically operated doors. Number 4. The Mansory Mercedes-AMG S63. The S63 by Mansory is an ultimate high-performance business saloon offered in two main power stages, turning the luxury cruiser into a supercar killer, and it is developed to be a high-performance transformation of the already potent flagship hybrid saloon. While the stock S63 performance is no slouch with its factory hybrid setup, Mansory focuses its upgrades specifically on the 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 combustion engine, leaving the electric drive system intact to maintain its smooth hybrid integration. Starting at $700,000, Mansory transformed this executive hybrid vehicle into an absolute monster by applying comprehensive carbon fiber bodywork, re-engineered aerodynamics, custom interior features, and supercar crushing power upgrades. This highly modified luxury vehicle boasts of an output of 900 horsepower, which provides a top speed of 200 miles per hour with a 0 to 60 acceleration time of 3.1 seconds. Mansory also completely redesigned the car's aerodynamics using forged carbon fiber. Number 5. The Mansory Bentley Flying Spur. a full-sized luxury car produced by Bentley and modified by Mansory. Whether you're behind the wheel or snuggled into one of its comfortable seats, you are treated to an ultra-luxurious experience. Mansory enhanced the stately British sedan with wide-body carbon kits, sport exhausts, and power boosts. The Flying Spur by Mansory fuses sumptuous luxury with incredible acceleration. An exceptional car for exceptional individuals, the Flying Spur offers an accomplished balance of luxurious comfort and thrilling performance. Starting at $600,000, the leather combinations in harmonious tones highlight the traditional class of a Bentley. The latter, delivered by its exclusive 8-liter V8 engine, produces over 640 horsepower with a 0 to 60 time of 3.5 seconds. The vehicle features enhanced performance and cosmetic modifications with a powerful engine that provides a top speed of 211 miles per hour. This bespoke vehicle combines extensive aerodynamic body kits, upgraded engine options, and highly customized interior features to appeal to buyers seeking ultimate exclusivity. Number 6. The Mansory Audi RS7 Sportback. The RS7 Sportback is a highly customized ultra-performance version of Audi's flagship four-door coupe modified by Mansory. The vehicle comes with impressive performance and luxury. Where speed and comfort are required, this custom sedan delivers. Power comes from a twin-turbo V8 engine, which provides up to 591 horsepower. The vehicle features massive upgrades like aggressive carbon fiber aerodynamics, forged aluminum wheels, custom bespoke interior features, and heavy engine modifications. Starting at $550,000, the 5-seat vehicle comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission that sends power to all 4 wheels. The RS7 comes at a premium price, and the exceptional appeal and driving performance are remarkable. Ranked among the most powerful and most technologically advanced cars available, this 4-door sedan combines practicality, a mild hybrid powertrain, and ample cargo capacity. The vehicle has a top speed of 210 miles per hour with a 0 to 60 time of 2.8 seconds. Number 7. The Mansory BMW 7 Series. The Mansory 7 Series is a highly customized ultra-premium tuning program that turns the regular model into a luxury masterpiece. Mansory added a dramatic flair to the divisive new generation 7 Series. A top-tier BMW with first-class luxury and innovation, the 7 Series by Mansory features an opulent interior with a powerful engine. The sedan remains a benchmark of comfort and luxury. It features aerodynamic bumpers, forged carbon trims, and a deeply personalized interior. A height-adjustable adaptive air suspension is standard, and a hands-free driving system and a 31-inch theater screen are available. The styling updates feature lightweight dry carbon fiber that integrates seamlessly with the stock structure. Starting at $500,000, the vehicle checks a lot of boxes with its powerful engine options and lavish interior. The Mansory 7 Series shows there's still life in the traditional custom sedan segment. This large luxury vehicle offers everything you need in a luxury sedan, including features like the massive BMW theater screen and advanced driver assistance technology. With a top speed of 200 miles per hour, this luxury sedan can accelerate from 0 to 60 in 4 seconds. Number 8. The Aston Martin Rapide. First presented at the North American International Auto Show in 2006, the Rapide is a sports saloon built by Aston Martin in Warwickshire, England. Its V12 engine generates over 470 horsepower and a top speed of 205 miles per hour. The Rapide is Aston Martin's first 4-door fastback saloon since the Lagonda, which was discontinued in 1990. Starting at $250,000, according to Aston Martin, building a Rapide takes several hundred hours due to the extensive craftsmanship involved. A significant portion of the build time is dedicated to handcrafted elements like leather upholstery and intricate paint finishes. Designed by Marek Reichman, it was engineered as a stretched and more practical adaptation of the iconic DB9. It seamlessly blends grand touring comfort with a ferocious, naturally aspirated engine. Number 9. The Lucid Air Sapphire. The Sapphire has a stunning silhouette that makes it stand out in crowd, and it looks extremely futuristic. A 1,200 horsepower electric powerhouse that can accelerate to 60 miles per hour in 2 seconds, the Lucid Air Sapphire is a luxury sedan with 3 electric motors that make up to 1,430 pound-feet of torque. The electric car uses a triple electric motor setup that provides a top speed of 205 miles per hour. Starting at $250,000, its large battery and compact motors deliver unbeatable range and great performance. Although it is heavier than Tesla's Model S Plaid, the Lucid Air Sapphire has a quicker acceleration time. The sedan takes electric performance to new heights with an unprecedented balance of cutting-edge technology, refined luxury, and driving dynamics. Number 10. The Porsche Taycan. Porsche has always been known for their high-performance sports cars, and this vehicle is a live example of what they stand for. The new Taycan is a high-performance luxury electric sedan, offering exceptional driving dynamics and a refreshed lineup with increased range and efficiency. A benchmark for luxury sports electric vehicles, balancing razor-sharp handling with a high-tech cabin, the Taycan is exactly what you'd expect when one of the most accomplished sports car brands goes electric. Starting at $200,000, this luxury sedan pumps out 751 horsepower with a driving range of 330 miles. With its performance stamina, the supercar has a top speed of 161 miles per hour, and it can accelerate from 0 to 60 in 2.6 seconds. The Taycan has a high-tech and highly customizable interior with a striking appearance, which keeps reminding the driver that they are driving a Porsche. Number 11. The Genesis G90. While it may lack the widespread recognition enjoyed by other full-size sedans from Europe and Japan, the G90 boasts of an array of cutting-edge technology and luxurious features. Its signature shield grille, striking split-line lighting, and commanding elongated proportions make it a rolling statement of wealth. If you are looking for the best infotainment technologies at the least possible cost, the Genesis G90 is a great option. As one of the brand's most luxurious model, the sedan received a dramatic redesign that brings it into the new era of luxury cars. Starting at $100,000, the G90 is a beautiful sedan that continues its value-focused strategy of undercutting the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. The standard model of the G90 comes with a twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 engine, which makes 305 horsepower. This luxury sedan provides a smooth ride quality with a new touchscreen that places it on the same spot as some of the most technologically advanced cars in the world. Number 12. The Porsche Panamera Turbo e-Hybrid. A sports car that comes with 4 doors, the Panamera e-Hybrid is a mid-sized luxury car manufactured in Germany. The vehicle was first launched at the 13th Shanghai International Auto Show in April 2009, launching a hybrid and diesel version in 2011. Starting at $120,000, the Panamera is essentially a 4-door 911. It is a sports sedan with respectable power, a comfortable interior, and plenty of comfort and convenience features to balance its performance. The sports car comes with all-wheel drive. Under the hood is a turbocharged V6 hybrid engine, which makes 463 horses. The vehicle can go from 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds, with a top speed of 174 miles per hour. Number 13. The Alfa Romeo Giulia. The Giulia is a highly acclaimed driver-focused Italian luxury car. The vehicle is renowned for its sharp handling, iconic styling, and weight distribution. The Giulia was first unveiled in June 2015. It is the first saloon offered by Alfa Romeo since 2011. The sedan is also the first mass-market Alfa Romeo vehicle in over 2 decades to use a longitudinal rear-wheel drive platform. Starting at $50,000, this luxury sedan delivers the performance and panache that epitomizes Italian luxury cars. The cabin blends Italian craftsmanship with modern technology. It features a driver-oriented layout, a customizable 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, and an 8.8-inch touchscreen. The sedan stands out as a highly engaging alternative to mainstream luxury rivals, prioritizing steering precision and lightweight driving.